what brings you to the battery show this year?
Well, our company, CATL, being a Chinese-based manufacturing operation, is clearly growing globally. And we came to Europe because many of our customers that are in China are domiciled out of Europe, and we are coming to Europe to support our customers.
Great. And what new products or services are you showcasing at the show?
Well, CATL predominantly sells battery pack systems for automotive, bus, truck, and energy storage systems for grid applications. So we're marketing mainly at this show battery pack systems and modules, because modules are the heart and soul of the battery pack system. Surely we manufacture cells, but our preference is to sell the modules and the packs as an integrated solution.
Great. And what changes have you seen in the energy storage industry in the past 5 years?
Well, a guy's been in the industry for 40 years. I've seen major changes in the last 5. As one of the lead engineers on the EV1 back in 1996, I've seen major changes within the last 5 years that governments and societies are starting to adopt EVs in a very good way, and in an exotic way that creates more value for the overall society, because we're reducing pollution with the increased sales of EVs.
And why is the European market important to your business?
Well, European business is the second largest continent growth, and Asia's number 1 right now, but Europe is ahead of North America in that regard in growth possibilities. You know, the combination of electric vehicles, 48-volt systems, bus applications, marine applications, and rail, it's quite a growth opportunity for Europe, and we want to be a part of that growth.
And what new connections or partnerships do you hope to make at the show?
Well, most of our partnerships are established. We are just here more or less to help support the growth and opportunities that we don't know about today, but we already have some very strong strategic partnerships with customers here in Europe already.
Right. And how's your experience been so far at the show?
Oh, this show is akin to what I saw happen a few years ago at the battery show in North America. We see a continued growth, and to have the very first European show have approximately 5,000 or greater number of people is remarkable.
What changes are you seeing in the Chinese storage sector?
Well, the changes that are occurring in China are moving from dominant bus applications to include automotive. Many of the automotive sector programs are just starting to ramp up this year, next year, and the following year. So even though bus market has dominated that culture over the last 2 or 3 years, we now see the EVs are starting to ramp up. In addition to that, I see a beginning of the energy storage sector. That is, those products that go into market for supporting the grid structure is now starting to become a reality in China.
And what is the biggest challenge for the storage sector going forward?
Well, of course, any good battery engineer would say it's cost and it's energy density. So we need to drive the cost down, drive the energy density up. It gives better viability. The other most important thing is the manufacturing viability. One thing that CATL has been quite blessed with is the capability of manufacturing in large quantities in extremely good quality programs, the types of products that are necessary to make this EV market, energy storage market, and bus market grow.